Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Tumblr page in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Tumblr mobile application, then provide your login credentials like your email address and your password and log in into your account. Now, once this step is done, your Tumblr apps interface will look something like this. Over here, in order to set up a Tumblr page, you need to simply tap on your profile tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will see the blog that you have created previously at the time of the creation of your Tumblr account. Now, if you want to add a new page into it, simply tap on the page name in the top left hand corner of the screen and then tap on the option of create a new Tumblr. Over here, you just have to do nothing but to just provide the new name of your Tumblr page, then tap on the save option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once this step is done, it will ask you to edit the appearance of your Tumblr page, which you can do by tapping on these pencil icons. If you tap on the pencil icon in the middle, you will be able to change the avatar and you will be able to upload images to your Tumblr page. If you want to change the layout of the background, simply tap on this pencil icon right next to the background and you will be able to choose a photo for your background, or you can even change the composition of your background. So once the editing is done, you need to tap on the save option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And now this time, if you tap on the drop down menu here, you will see all of the pages that you have created in your Tumblr account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.